Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Giedre. I work as a personal stylist, and here on this channel I share practical information with real-life examples so that you can learn quickly to look and feel your very best today. For today's episode, I have collected the most common fashion mistakes that I see amongst my curvy clients. And you will see real-life examples of these mistakes and how to fix them on different sizes and different body shapes so that you have a better understanding and find yourself more confident when dressing your body as well. And remember, there is always a way to be more fashionable while fully embracing your body, no matter the size. Let's start. Faded denim, especially with faded tones across the thighs, draws the attention to these areas more and also makes these areas visually look even wider. Do not forget that bum area also gets highlighted with a lighter wash. So it's really up to you what visual effect you want to create on your body. Now, on apple-shaped ladies, sometimes faded areas might visually look more flattering as they draw attention to beautiful legs, but still, in my opinion, darker washed jeans or just jeans without noticeable faded areas is a better solution if you want to appear more balanced and more put together. Bright color clothes on the widest parts or so-called problematic areas make these areas to stand out even more. Therefore, if you want a visually balanced look, opt for softer colors on the prominent body part. Also, showing off ankles help in making the look visually lighter. The same goes for the shiny and glossy fabrics, as they visually create the same effect and actually even worse, as shiny fabrics tend to visually add bulkiness to the figure. So here you see how the change of fabric can create a different visual effect. A necklace helps to create a focal point around the face, and voila! You can tell an instant difference when swapped to this matte material skirt suit. Now, the third style mistake isn't only visually looking off, but also just isn't comfortable, as it makes us very conscious about the outfit itself, as it clings and shows off every lump and bump. So changing the outfit made from fluid materials really help not only to visually flatter the figure, but also making us feel better and more confident in our clothes, which is super important. Now, in this example, the clingy effect is more noticeable, as for apples, it's around the tummy area. And when we move, the material discloses everything. So it's always a better and more comfortable option to choose flowy fabrics like, for example, chiffon that drapes skimming over the body. Strategic layering can take kilograms off of your body. And of course, I mean visually. The most effective way to do that is to create visual vertical lines on the body and on the areas you are self-conscious about. That helps to visually elongate and slim down the body, and for the pear-shaped ladies, it's also a solution when you want to cover up your back view. Yep, I can hear you. When it's hot, opt for a sleeveless option. An elongated gilet is a no-brainer. Of course, you can opt for a lighter fabric for more aeration. Still too hot? How about a regular waistcoat? And I find women discouraged to wear the things if they don't button anymore, but did you know that unbuttoned layer is a perfect visual slimmer? Just be creative. Even a longer scarf or longer necklace can create very similar effect. Now, for apple-shaped ladies, the rule of thumb is the same. Divide and elongate the midsection. So in this example, I'm adding a very lightweight blouse jacket on my mom and also tucking in. I know, apples don't like it, but look, nobody knows. Just have a look at this. This is my favorite transformation. How much better does she look? Instant effect and skyrocket confidence. Nothing can make us look worse than the effort to hide our bodies and wearing shapeless things. Showing off the slimmest part of the body always makes us look more flattering and balanced, and actually I notice in my clients more confident in our bodies as well. And there is no need to fully, expose your curves, but accentuating the waistline for pear-shaped ladies help to create the right visual accent. Shapeless clothes and combinations like these just don't do any justice for any body shape, no matter the size. And sometimes it's the lack of confidence, sometimes the lack of knowledge, but I hope that after watching these examples, you will be embraced even more to wear the clothes that actually make you look better today, no matter the size, no matter the body shape. Do you agree? Isn't this outfit making my mom look so much better and younger? Monochrome dressing, like in this example, is really nice and always help to elongate the body by creating an even color block. However, when you want to camouflage the curves, creating focal points is always beneficial as it draws the attention away from the prominent body parts. So with this blouse, we are still keeping the outfit monochrome, which helps to elongate the body, but those red and blue elements on the blouse create the focal points and distract the attention away from the midsection. The same could be said and seen on the pear-shaped lady. While extended shoulder line is great for pears, however, this dress draws attention to the curves, while even though the dress on the right is a little bit too big and too long, but the diagonal print on it distracts the eye from the prominent body parts. So a little bit of print, which actually goes in diagonal or vertical lines, is always a helpful tool to camouflage the things that you want. And the last mistake that I have seen a lot is long tops. Ladies, this style really creates a flattering visual effect as it drags down your look and your waistline. For apple-shaped women, the best thing is to have additional layer on top to visually divide the midsection. But as you notice, I brought the top as well a little bit higher so that we get the better vertical proportion. Now, for the pear-shaped ladies, those long tops are really unflattering look as it draws attention to the hip area and also hides the slimmest part, which makes Agla look even wider and frumpy. The moment we swapped this to a wrap top, the situation has changed impressively, right? Slimmer, slender, taller, just instantly better look and bigger smile. And that is it for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like this video and share it with your friends. It really helps my channel, and also subscribe for more episodes like this. Please let me know in the comments down below which of the styling tip did you like the most, which you are still trying to understand or to get used to yourself. And remember, there are always ways to be fashionable while fully embracing our bodies. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time very soon. Keep shining, stay classy and smiley. Ciao, ciao.